welcome back to maths class. Again, I am here with the same chapter number 9, geometrical shape. So, today in this video, we are going to learn about solid figures. Now, what is solid figure? Solid figure means what? It means those objects which you can hold. And you can see every object has got some shape, isn't it? Like, I am holding this book. I am able to hold the book. Right? So this is a solid shape or this is a solid figure which I can hold in my hand. And the solid figures or the solid shapes will have 3 dimension. They are 3D figures also, they are known as 3D figure. Solid shapes you can call it as a 3D figures also. Okay, like for example in my hand book is there, so this is also a 3D figure. So we are going to learn about 3D figures. So first, I would like to discuss about the shape called cuboid. Now what is cuboid? Actually you see, if you notice, every solid figure is made up of plane shapes. Okay, plane shapes means what? Either it will be made up of circle or square or rectangle or triangle. Understood? So I have a book. Now this solid figure is made up of which plane figure? If you can look at the book, like just look at the book and try to identify that each surface of this book is made up of which figure, which plane shape actually. So if you notice carefully, you will find that the surface of the book is made up of rectangular shape. Now in rectangular shape, what property have we learned? We have learned that in rectangle, we have one short length which is called breadth and one longer length which is called length. Okay. So, cuboid. Cuboid is actually such a figure, solid figure which is made up of rectangular shape. Okay. Each and every surface of cuboid you will see that it is made up of rectangle shape. So, in cuboid it is very obvious that you will get one shorter length and one longer length, isn't it? So let us try to understand what is cuboid is. Now if you see in your book the cuboid, you will find first of all cuboid has 6 flat surface. This is one, okay, I'll show you from here. This is the shape of cuboid. This is an example of cuboid. So this is one surface, surface 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5 and 6. So each surface of this object or like you can say material which is made up of whose side is shape is cuboid. So each surface of this object is made up of rectangular shape. And how many faces or how many surface it has? It has 6 surface. So we can say every cuboid, it has, first of all, it has 6 surface. Okay, 6 surface it has. Then second thing, how many sides it has? Let us count the side. Now this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in one side, it has got how many surface? 6 surface are there. So on the top, like we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Then you can see this one is 5, 6. Alright. Then this is 7. Okay. And here this one is 8. Then 9. Alright. 10, okay, 11 and this is 12. So altogether how many sides are there? Each cuboid has 12 sides. It has 0.2. It has 12 sides or you can say 12 edges. Okay, so every cuboid will have 12 sides. So you can see in your book also there is one example given of a brick. Brick is an example of cuboid, and I showed you this tiffin box is also an example of cuboid. Alright, so you can see here how many surface or faces it has. It has 6 face or surface, you can say. It has 12 sides, and how many corners it has, let us count the corner also. So this is your cuboid, corner 1. Okay, I think in this you can get to know the proper corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it has 8 corners. So you can see how many corners it has. It has 8 corners. And each face of cuboid is made up of rectangular shape. Okay, each face of the cuboid is made up of rectangular shape. I know it is becoming little clumsy. You are thinking that it is so like so confusing to understand. So I am just rubbing this. You can also do it in your like you can take any object which is cuboid shape and you can try to find out the faces. Faces easily you can understand, but like it becomes difficult when you have to count the number of sides. So there you have to be very careful. Okay. So what have we learned from this? We have learned that cuboid is a solid figure which whose surface or the faces are made up of rectangular shape. It has 6 faces, or you can say 6 surfaces. It has 12 sides or 12 edges. These are called the sides. Okay, these are called the sides. Then it has 8 corners. So this is what we have learned in cuboid. And in cuboid, since it is made up of rectangular shape, each face is made up of rectangular shape. So we will also find that one of the length will be shorter and another will be longer. So opposite sides are equal in this case also in cuboid. Okay. So I hope you have understood what is cuboid is. Now we move to the next topic, that is cube. Now in cube, have you ever noticed the any shape, any object or any material which is made up of cube? Yes, I think you must have seen in your fridge itself. When you freeze the ice in the ice cube box. So when you freeze the ice in the ice cube box, you can get to see the perfect example of cube. Okay, and then also there is one like in the game also there is one material or object which is used, you can say it's a play kit only, which has been used to play, that is in Ludo. In Ludo we use the dice, isn't it? The dice is also the shape of cube shape. Now what is cube? Cube is actually made up of square shapes. All the faces, you can see all the faces are made up of square shape. And we know the property of square. What is the property of square? Square has 4 sides and all the sides are equal. In the similar way, in cube also, all the sides are equal. Okay, all the measurement of each side will be equal. None of the side will be different or unequal from each other. Okay, so all the sides are equal, their faces are made up of square shape, and rest other information remains the same as cuboid. Like what? Here also we can say, first point, it has 6 faces or surface. You can write any word, surface, surfaces or faces, it is same. Then it has, second point, it has 12 sides or edges anything you can say. Sides and edges means same. Then it has 8 what? Corners. Okay. Well, I don't have the perfect example of cube, but then I can show you. This is somewhat like cube shape. You can see here the faces, each face of cube. Of course, this face is not made up of cube, it is rectangular shape. But the back and the front face, you can see it is made up of square shape. Okay, so cube will be a solid figure which will have all the sides equal. Why? Because it is made up of square shape. Okay, all the faces are made up of square shape. Okay, so this is about cube. So in cube, what have we learned? Cube, it has 6 flat surfaces, then 8 corners and 12 edges. What is the difference between cube, cuboid and cube? The only difference between cuboid and cube is, in cuboid, the opposite sides are equal, whereas in case of cube, all the sides are equal. Okay. Other than that, all the properties remains the same. So what you're going to do is, since you have learned about cuboid and cube, you will either draw or paste 4 examples of cuboid and cube in your maths CW copy. Okay. But before that, you will also write this. You will draw this cuboid picture and cube picture. I know it is difficult. You must be thinking that, ma'am, the cuboid and cube picture is difficult to draw. I will explain you to draw the easier one. So I'll just rub this off. I'm drawing again once for you. Okay. So let me draw once again so that you can easily draw in your copy also. Like, see, first you will be in your copy, say you have taken 4 boxes. No, this one is 4 boxes and down you will take 2 boxes. On top you will take 4 boxes and down here you can take 2 boxes. Okay. Now, what you will do, now from the middle, that is from the second box, 1, 2 boxes you will do. Then from the second box, again you will draw. From here you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Again one more straight line you will draw. Okay. And then down you will make in the similar way, here we have taken 2 boxes. So here also you will take 2 boxes. And then you will draw the full rectangle. And after that, what you have to do? You have to just join the corners. Like this, you will join the corners. Isn't it easy? So in this manner, you can draw the cuboid. Now, how will you draw cube? Now for cube, as we know that all sides are equal. So we will take, let's take 4 boxes. Okay. 4 boxes down, 4 boxes up. In all the sides, we will take 4 boxes. So first we will draw one circle and each side will have 4 boxes, or you can take 3 boxes also, but everywhere you have to take 3 boxes. Okay. So just keep in your mind that whichever, like upper side, whatever, how many boxes you are taking. Like if you are taking 2 boxes, then every side you will take 2 boxes. And if you are taking 3 boxes, then each side you will take 3 boxes. Like here I have drawn. So this is one square. Now from the middle of the square, like suppose if it is 4 boxes, then from 2 boxes you will again draw one more square. Okay, in this manner. In this way you will again draw one more square. And as we have done in cuboid, we will join all the corners, like this corner to this corner to this one to this, and this one to this. So done. Cuboid and cube, both are easy to draw. If you practice more, you will be able to do it. Okay, so don't worry. So what you are going to do is, you will write this in your classroom copy. At the same time, you will draw or paste 4 example of cuboid and cube. That will be your homework. Okay. So that's all in this video, and keep revising whatever you have learnt in the previous classes, because if you don't revise them, then it will become difficult for you. Okay. So that's all in this video. Take care and bye bye.